In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to build high-level and low-level boards on Monday.com so you can manage your projects with total clarity. Whether you're leading a team, managing multiple clients, or organizing internal work, having both a detailed execution board and a big picture overview board is a game changer. By the end of this video, you'll know how to structure both boards properly and how to use them together for maximum efficiency. And if you find this helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more Monday.com tutorials. Let's start by creating your low-level board. This is where all the detailed day-to-day work lives. Click on Plus New in the top left corner, then select Board and choose From Scratch. Give your board a clear name. For example, you can call it Project X Detailed Tasks. This helps everyone instantly understand that this board is for execution and task management. Now let's add the essential columns. First, keep the default task name or item column, then add a status column so you can track progress like not started, working on it, or done. Next, add an assignee column to assign responsibility. After that, include a due date column to manage deadlines. You should also add a priority column to highlight what's urgent or high impact. Finally, add a dependencies column if tasks rely on each other. This is especially useful for complex projects where one task must be completed before another begins. Once your columns are ready, organize your board into groups. Groups can represent phases, milestones, or sprints. For example, you might create groups called Sprint 1, Sprint 2, or Planning, Execution, and Launch. This structure keeps your detailed board clean and easy to navigate. Your low-level board is now ready to handle daily updates, team collaboration, and detailed tracking. Next, let's create your high-level board. This board is for reporting, leadership updates, and strategic visibility. Again, click Plus New, choose Board, and select From Scratch. Name this one something like Project X Overview. The key difference here is that instead of tracking every task, you'll focus on milestones and major deliverables. Start with the milestone or key deliverable column as your main item column. Then add a status column to show overall progress. Add an owner column to indicate who is responsible for that milestone. Include a start date and end date column to define timelines. Finally, add a progress percentage column so stakeholders can quickly see how far along each milestone is. This board should remain simple and clean. Each item here represents a major outcome, not individual tasks. Think of it as the executive summary version of your project. It provides clarity without overwhelming detail. Now let's talk about how to use both boards effectively. Your high-level board is for project reporting and executive overviews. This is what you show leadership or clients when they want to understand overall progress. Your low-level board, on the other hand, is for daily task tracking and team collaboration. This is where the real work happens. As your project evolves, you can refine both boards, add automations to notify team members when statuses change, adjust columns if you need more tracking fields, update groups as new phases begin. The key is keeping the high-level board strategic and the low-level board operational. When used together, these two boards create a powerful project management system inside Monday.com. You get detailed execution without losing sight of the big picture. And that's it. You now know how to build high-level and low-level boards on Monday.com step by step. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.